Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser suddenly stops following the schedule you created and fragrance timing starts working inconsistently, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when the diffuser turns on or off at the wrong times. Sometimes the hotel collection diffuser ignores saved schedules completely, while other times timing settings seem correct but never actually activate. A situation like this can happen because of syncing problems, incorrect schedule settings, Wi Fi interruptions, or temporary app glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many hotel collection diffuser schedule problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix hotel collection diffuser schedule issues. Try these. Step 1. Review the saved schedule on the hotel collection diffuser and confirm timing settings are entered correctly. Step 2. Open the app connected to the hotel collection diffuser if schedule syncing feels inconsistent. Step 3. Check the Wi Fi connection linked with the hotel collection diffuser if schedules suddenly stop working. Step 4. Edit and resave the timing setup on the hotel collection diffuser to refresh schedule settings. Step 5. Restart the hotel collection diffuser briefly and allow the system to reconnect properly. Step 6. Properly test the hotel collection diffuser again.